day, right?
Yes, the master thesis is for mechanical engineering, so it's impossible to me.
What about hydrogen energy? There is a whole lab for hydrogen energy at BTU.
Hydrogen energy?
Hydrogen is the most common element in the universe and has great potential as a green energy carrier when produced out of renewable energy. It is incredibly versatile. In transport, it powers cars. In industry, it fuels factories. In energy, hydrogen stores electricity. In heating, it can warm homes. And in space, it fuels rockets. To produce it, we split water into hydrogen, which we can use, and oxygen, which just goes into the air without pollution. And if we operate with renewable energy in this process, we have green hydrogen. Unlike fossil fuels, hydrogen produces only water when used, avoiding greenhouse gases. However, more research is needed to improve this process.
Here at BTU, Hydrogen Research Center is optimizing this kind of energy systems.
Can I do my master thesis there?
Of course.
At the Hydrogen Research Center at BTU, you can test materials, develop systems, and run experiments. Students of mechanical, power, electrical engineering, or other technical domains with grades average better than 2.3 can apply for thesis in bachelor, master, and PhD level.
Join us!